Unraveling the phrase, pull rank. Hello, dear language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, pull rank. Ever heard of it? Whether it's your first time or you've come across it before, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Pull rank is a phrase that comprises two words, pull and rank. Individually, these words have their own meanings, but when combined, they take on a unique implication. Pull, in this context, it doesn't mean to tug or draw something physically. Instead, it means to use or exercise something to one's advantage. Rank. This refers to someone's position in a hierarchy, like in the military or any structured organization. When combined, the phrase means to use one's higher position or status to make others do something or to get an advantage. It's not always used in a positive sense. Sometimes, it suggests that the person is unfairly using their higher position. Understanding a phrase is often easier when we see it in action. Let's go through some sentences. 1. Even though they were friends, John pulled rank to get the last piece of cake. 2. In the meeting, Sarah pulled rank to ensure her idea was the one selected. 3. You can't just pull rank every time you want something to go your way. From these examples, you can see that the phrase is often used when someone leverages their higher position or status, sometimes at the expense of others. It's always helpful to know alternative phrases or synonyms. Here are some synonyms for pull rank. Exercise authority. Use one's position. Assert one's authority. While these phrases have similar meanings, pull rank has a more casual and sometimes negative connotation. All right, now you're well equipped to understand and use the phrase, pull rank, in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about words but understanding the essence behind them. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy learning!